Welcome back, all of my friends, all of my students out there, into my YouTube channel, Love to Learn. I think you all are enjoying learning and education right now, right? Because of this lockdown situation that we are all stuck into, we have no other way but to learn new things every day. Why not learn English? Why not learn, interesting topics each day? Okay, so first of all, I want to thank each one of you out there for such a good response that all of you have given me. Thank you so much. I will continue to give you interesting topics, continue to teach you interesting topics and grammatical tips and tricks. Today's topic is also an interesting topic. Okay, let me introduce myself to you. This is for all those out there who are new. My name is Sneha Adhikari Kaur and I am an entrepreneur by profession. Do you know the meaning of entrepreneur? What does it mean? Okay, entrepreneur pronounced as entrepreneur. Entrepreneur. It means a businessman or a businesswoman. So my business is mainly into entertainments and web series, films, content marketing as a whole. I have a lot of blogs and where I write on very much interesting topics that you can go out and check into. And I like a lot of painting and I like teaching you guys. So that's why I'm here. Last few days I had given you a topic. I discussed a topic on essay writing. How to write essays, the concept behind that, the format in which you can write an essay or a précis. Okay, likewise. So an essay, I'm just giving you a short intro so that you can understand. An essay is such a way, a descriptive format in which you can describe the incidents, the places, the people, the character and the topic as a whole in crispy way. So today's topic is, which is very important and which will be coming in your ICSE, CBSE, West Bengal board, any board examinations. What is it? No boring topics. Okay, the lockdown situation that we are into, your topic is, do you think that you need a supernatural character? Well, the topic is this itself. What supernatural character from your any movie, any book that you have liked, anything from any place, any media that you have read or you have visualized, you want that supernatural character to change the world into a better way, and how? Let me tell you about Harry Potter. My favorite character is Harry Potter. That's a supernatural character itself because it has this character has a lot of supernatural powers in it. Okay, why supernatural? First and foremost, because Harry Potter is a witch. What do you mean by witch? It's not a witch actually. If I apply correct gender, it will be a wizard. So here comes the opposite also. What is the opposite of witch? Wizard. Chele bhut, me bhut. Simple. Chele daini, me daini. Simple. Supernatural. Okay. So Harry Potter. Harry Potter is a very positive character from the influential books, from the very famous books of J.K. Rowling. Let me tell you a story here. Do you know how was this character created? Well, J.K. Rowling was very much depressed. Okay, she was out of work, and what she used to do, she used to tell stories to her children often. And suddenly one day something came up to her mind and she thought that why not, when I'm telling these stories, let them write it down. J.K. Rowling has been rejected so many times, but she did not stop and created a very wonderful supernatural character which you all know is Harry Potter. So by telling this, I just want to remind you of one thing, that you are also creative. You can create your own character also. For example, you get this topic, how supernatural characters can save the world. First point would be think. Think about if there are any characters from the social media posts that are going around, whether any characters you are thinking about, that you get from the Netflix, by seeing Netflix movies, by reading storybooks, by reading newspapers, by getting any content, any cartoon character that is supernatural, anything that comes of your mind, your own experiences will be fruitful here. So my first point is, think about the character. Think about what character will fit into your topic. Second point, plan it up accordingly. What powers your supernatural character can have? For example, Harry Potter. Harry Potter has this supernatural power of changing, bad things into positive through his magical efforts. He can see the future. Well, your supernatural character will always know that whatever is going around the world is very bad turmoil, and he or she will have that power to change also. No need to think that these characters will need to have a wing or a wand or a crown or larger than life. It can be a simple man who has the supernatural powers to change the world. Second point, give his abilities, capabilities, how that character can change the world. Maybe that character is helping out the doctors and the nurses by providing ample masks, ample sanitizers with the magic. Or it can be like that this supernatural character is spreading positivity amongst the people by inducing positive thoughts, positive motivational quotes inside them. This can also be the thing. Think and make it up on your own. The third point is, if you also want to be a part of this supernatural character, like I said that you have made this character, so how can you yourself relate to this character? For example, this character has this specialty to see the future. Who can tell that you can also have that quality in you? You can see the future. You can see whatever is coming. So induce the qualities of the supernatural powers into yourself and relate your essay topic with yourself. You are also a part of this topic in saving the world. Right? Okay. So all done. Your essay will not be more than 300 to 400 words. The shortest can be 200 words. Be very crisp, be very clear about whatever you are writing, and write whatever comes to your mind. But today I have a special tips and tricks for you for this supernatural character. Now I will give you a real life example. For example, this is a glass of water. You can take this glass of water as your problem area, which we are into right now. Right? We are into a lot of trouble. This is the human being. This is a safety pin, but I am demonstrating as a safety pin, right? Putting this safety pin or the common man into trouble. He is fully into trouble. He has no way to exit. All full of glass of water. But even in this glass of water also, you can have that power to exit. We, the common man, are into a lockdown position. We cannot do our work. We are into a lot of trouble right now. Now comes the supernatural power in mind. This is a piece of magnet. This is the supernatural power. I will pull this up alongside. See how this supernatural power, along with its positivity, with good thoughts, with power, magic, and the world is saved. This is the supernatural power that is into action And there are lots of supernatural powers outside that are waiting to save the world. You were one of them. So my topic ends here. If you have any questions, any doubts, anything to share with me, and secondly, you can mail me. I will send you a WhatsApp number that will be given here. So in that WhatsApp number also you can send me any doubts related to grammar, related to essay writing, essay writing, anything but English grammar, right? And you can also follow my blogs, which is lovetolearneducation.blogspot.com. All these details will be shared to you, so there is no problem. I'll give you tips and tricks there, not these boring topics, but I'll write stories. I will tell you real life experiences, secrets also, and so you can read my blogs and you can understand them, right? Okay, so for today it's over. Next day I'm coming up with much more interesting topics which will excite you, right? Okay, for the Bengalis আমি আবার আসবো। তোমাদের কোনো অসুবিধা থাকলে কমেন্ট বক্সে আমাকে কমেন্ট করবে। তোমাদের যদি কোনো গ্রামাটিক্যালেও কোনো অসুবিধা থাকে সেটাও আমাকে জানাবে। আমার ইমেল আইডি, আমার ফোন নাম্বার এবং আমার হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ নাম্বার তোমাদের সঙ্গে শেয়ার করে দেব। এবং একদম লজ্জা পাবার কোনো ব্যাপারই নয়। আর আরেকদিন একটা টপিক করব, কি নিয়ে বলো তো? ইংলিশ মিডিয়াম ভার্সেস বেঙ্গলি মিডিয়াম, সেটা কিন্তু দেখতে ভুলো না। ওয়েল, আই এম সাইনিং অফ নাও। Hasta la vista. See you again. Bye bye.